In this video, we're going to go over the Intro to Python Programming section overview. So what we're going to do in this particular video here is discuss all the different topics, the lessons that we're going to be covering in this particular section. We're going to cover various topics such as what exactly is Python programming, who is this course for, a lot of different topics that are going to give you a foundational understanding of what Python programming is really about, the different job opportunities in the marketplace. We'll take a look at why Python programming is actually one of the most popular and sought after programming languages in the world. And then also a quick overview of how this course is going to be structured. So let's go ahead and jump in here to the Intro to Python Programming section overview. So the first thing that we're going to cover in this particular section is a complete overview of what exactly is Python programming. We're going to go over what exactly is involved as far as the Python programming language, how it differs between, the rest of the different programming languages out there in the marketplace, JavaScript, C++, HTML, and we're going to show you why Python programming is the best language to start out with if you're just starting out as a programmer or as a software engineer, right? The Python programming language is one of the easiest, if not the most easiest programming language out there in the marketplace to learn for beginners to get started with. And so we're going to go through, the different things that are involved with the programming language, why it's such a great language to start with, and what exactly is involved with the actual language itself. Okay, so after that, then we're going to go into who exactly is this course for. So we're going to touch upon whether or not if you already have some experience as a programmer or as a Python programmer, and perhaps you want to take your game to the next level and actually get a little bit more advanced with Python. We're going to show you who exactly this course is for and what you're going to be able to do at the end of this course, with your new skills that you're developing. And then we're going to go over after that the Python programming marketplace. So this is really giving you an indication of the types of opportunities that are out there in the marketplace as far as growth potential, how much it's grown as far as the programming language itself versus the competitors out there, with JavaScript, HTML, C++. We're going to look at how much it's actually grown in the past 5 years, in the past 10 years, and where do we expect to see the Python programming language grow to here in the next 5 years. And it's going to be really exciting for you to be able to look at this data from different surveys, different information that's pulled from different resources that shows just how bright the future is for the Python programming language. So after this, then we're going to go into the job opportunities in Python. We're going to go over the different types of salaries that you can expect as a Python programmer, as somebody who's just starting out, and maybe you have a little bit of experience, and we'll show you what the different averages as far as the salaries are for somebody just starting out as a programmer, somebody with a little bit more experience, and then finally somebody who's a little bit more senior in the position or with the actual programming language itself. And we'll show you just how much the job opportunities have grown, right, in the past 5 years, and how much they're expected to grow within the next 5 years or so, because there's so many opportunities currently for Python programmers, and the demand for Python programmers is going to reach all new heights, all new levels within the coming years. And then finally, we're going to cover the Python from A to Z course structure. So this course is something like you've probably never ever seen before or have gone through. This is a very practical course here that is very much so laid out for you to be able to maximize your learning, maximize how much you're actually taking in and remembering through actual practical examples. But not only that, giving you practical quizzes to take after each lesson, as well as being able to have different assignments that are also associated with the lesson, so that you can think of this as getting a university type of education without all the different types of burdensome costs, the burdensome things that are associated with having to go to a university, right? You're going to be able to practice and actually take action on what you're learning immediately after you listen and go through and watch the video. So very, very powerful here as far as how you're going to be able to take in the information through the lessons, and then also have the practical assignments and quizzes that you're going to be able to do right after, so that you're maximizing your learning, and that at the end of this course, you're able to come away from this as an expert Python programmer. So that's going to be it here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.